In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read company reviews on Glassdoor. Let's walk through the process together so you can get a clear, balanced picture of any workplace you're considering. Start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com or launch the Glassdoor app on your phone. On the homepage, look for the Companies section. That's where you'll begin your search. Click it, and you'll see a search bar at the top. Type the name of the company you're curious about and select it from the suggestions that appear. Once you open the company's profile page, you'll land on a dashboard that includes the overall rating, employee reviews, salary information, and other insights like benefits and interview experiences. Think of this page as your hub. If the site or app prompts you to sign in to see more details, that's normal. It simply unlocks additional content. Before diving deep, note the star rating out of 5. This gives you a quick snapshot of employee satisfaction, but don't stop there. Scroll down to the Reviews section. Click See All Reviews to open the full list so you can read complete comments instead of just preview lines. Around this point, a quick reminder. I've placed the official website link and the app download links right at the top of the description to make it easy for you to get to the same pages I'm showing. Use the filters to zero in on perspectives most relevant to you. Filter by job title to see what people in your role are saying, by location if you care about a specific office, and by employment status to compare current versus former employees. This helps you cut through the noise and focus on what matters to you. As you read, look for patterns rather than isolated opinions. If multiple reviewers highlight strong teamwork, flexible schedules, or supportive management, that's meaningful. Likewise, if you repeatedly see mentions of long hours, unclear leadership, or limited growth, take note. Consistency over time is more reliable than a single glowing or negative comment. Check for responses from the company too. When employers reply to feedback, especially criticism, it can reveal how they handle concerns, communicate changes, and treat their people. Glassdoor typically shows the most recent reviews first, which is helpful because workplaces evolve. Prioritize newer reviews for a current snapshot of the culture and processes. Finally, bring it all together. Compare the overall rating with the themes in the reviews, the filters you applied, and the company's responses. If what you see aligns with your priorities and work style, you'll know you're on the right track. Thanks for watching.